I got it.
Get the door. Would you like to buy?
Looking for a batch of BHG, the special kind.
Go ahead, it's all yours.
Where?
In the cab.
Oh, yes. Just
I got some chemicals. Hey, buddy. Damn newspaper, haven't read one of these in years. Talk about classics. Fall Home. It's got to be from the year 2015. Oh, never mind. 2015. Aren't you supposed to be doing some work?
I got it.
Get the damn newspaper.
I got it.
Maybe he wants to buy something from us. Would you like to buy? Got plenty of stuff here to buy.
looking for a batch of BHG, the special kind. Not the classic bullshit.
It's kind of low in numbers. We don't have much at the moment. It's very valuable. I'm afraid you can't have it. We got plenty more here, though. You could buy it. My buddies are busy. We got to get to work here. You could kindly leave. Or you could kindly leave.
What is this?
Well, that's my old pal. He used to work for me. He's dead.
What's his
He
name?
had that rosary.
What was his
Jeremy.
name? I like this.
You ain't taking that. I'm sorry. Got a lot of dangerous chemicals here. I don't want you to be touching all this stuff. And you definitely can't have that.
Well, I think anything can be sold for the right price, right? Where is the special pH? I will not ask again.
The door. Go back. You can have a look, but it's not completely ready. I apologize.
It's not completely ready, huh? To be honest, your opinion really does not matter to me at all.
Jesus Christ, dude. You can have it.
Move. Move.
Take it. Take it.
I'm sorry, what'd you speak up?
Go ahead, it's all yours.
Where? I'm sorry, what'd you speak up?
Oh, shit.
I don't think we're through though yet.
Whatever you talking about.
Price, right?
Who do you work?
I'm sorry, what'd you speak up?
Over here, stranger. Welcome. What are you buying? Got some rare things on sale, stranger.
Looking for a batch of BHG.
Is that all, stranger? Got a selection of good things on sale, stranger. Ah, an awesome choice, stranger. Not enough cash, stranger.
I don't think we're through though yet.
Stranger, stranger.
Wait. You're not worthy.
Now that's a weapon. What you need that for? Going hunting an elephant? Thank you. Come back anytime. Welcome. Goodbye.